Hi, I'm Jax.
And I'm Sassy Jax.
And today, we're going to walk you through how we created 4 sympathy cards using Divinity Designs stamps. Hello, everybody. Okay, so not only are we using Divinity Designs stamps, we are going to be using Simon Says Stamp Far and Away collage die, and we are also using the Atlenew Dotted Swirls debossing cover die right here. I used white paper along with some blue paper that I had at my desk. I cut these prior to talking to you. I also stamped the inside of the cards with May Time Heal Your Heart and Memories Comfort Your Soul with Sympathy. I did that on all 4 card bases. I also stamped the back of the cards, and I just need to sign them and do the front assembly. I pulled the inside sentiment from this Divinity's Design stamp set, which is paw prints, and you can find that right here. I also created another card using this stamp set for pet owners sympathy cards in a video just recently, and you can find that right here. The front sentiment that we're going to use today is Forever in Our Hearts. Now the trick is to design the front of the card so that it works like I have in my head. Squeeze lemonade, a dried marigold. Now I'm gonna move into some spun sugar. Okay, let's move into some shaded lilac. And the last one is tumbled glass. Let's see how we did. That's really pretty. It's not bad.
It's assembly time. Assembly time. Oh, yeah.
Thanks for the song, Sassy.
No problem.
I like the blue. I think the blue really works out. Did we just run out of tape? No, I just got this on there. We did run out of tape. Okay, remember how this is going. Okay, let's see if I can do this on camera because I have practiced only 8,342 times.
Why so many times?
Because I can never get it to work, so I've had to try and try and try and try and try. I'm just using this refill. So it goes on like that, right? This is like surgery. Okay, so you unpinch this roll, pull it off, throw that away. Then you put this on here, snap that in. Then push your trigger, go like this. I have so much glue or tape on here to try and get these to work all the time. I put a bunch of tape on there so it just sticks there so I don't have to worry about putting it all over the place. But that should do it. That should be it. So now I'm gonna attempt. I don't know what I'm doing. Here, maybe I need to... Ah! It broke already.
Because you did it wrong.
And I would have to agree. We're gonna try this again. Well, I'm putting tape down, just not in the right spots. It kind of works. I did it! I did it! I'm officially a crafter! I did it! I changed my own advanced tape glider.
Can I redecorate it and celebrate?
No. I can't believe I just changed this. I think a new leaf has turned. 3 years of constantly trying to change this dang tape. I mean, so much so that I did everything by hand for so long. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, let's stamp. I'm gonna use my VersaFine. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. This should not make me so nervous, but it does make me so nervous. Here we go.
Just do it.
It worked! All right, I'm gonna let these dry, and maybe I want to add a small heart. Sure have a lot of glitter hearts. I found some hearts. Some are white, some are glittery, some are red, and I also found a white butterfly. I think the white butterfly would look really pretty on here. I don't hate that. I don't think it's a bad thing. Here's a bigger heart. No, I don't like that. Maybe that? Now I want butterflies for everything and more baby hearts. Simon Says Stamp Butterfly Shimmer dye. My favorite thing is stitched strip dye. So now I gotta figure out, do I have that same paper? You know why this is so important? Because on this channel, I always say, make sure you save your scraps. Don't ever throw anything away. I spy where I got those hearts from. This is amazing.
Save your scraps, people.
All right, I'm cutting more of these. I'm not gonna be in this position again. When I want a baby heart, I want a baby heart. And that's just the way it's gonna be. All right, I did it 3 times. I should have lots of baby hearts now. Oh my gosh, look at all those butterflies. So that's enough baby hearts and butterflies to do 4 cards and more. So now in the future, should I want baby hearts and butterflies, I will have them.
Baby heart, do 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 do. Baby heart, do 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 do. Baby heart.
I remembered I have these honeybee embellishments, crystal mix dewdrops, and crystal clear acrylic hearts. I have no choice on placement on these. I have to put them where these dots are because that's what happened. So because of that, I'm going to try and make it work. They are forever in our hearts. May time heal your heart and memories comfort your soul. With Sympathy. There was some spots, maybe you can't see them anymore, but there was spots, and so I placed the acrylic hearts there. And here you can kind of see where the heart sparkles slightly because I added Wink of Stella, and I added Wink of Stella to the tops of the wings. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and it gave you some kind of inspiration. Until next time, love you guts. Bye! Thanks for joining me today. If you want to see what else I create on this channel,
Like acrylic paintings, greeting cards, stamping, die cutting, and recycled art, furniture, all kinds of things.
consider subscribing because I'd love to have you as a viewer.